Holy Jenkins. Guys, look. Is it raining outside for me right now? You guys can't see the rain. Oh, hear that wind. Oh, really hard one. See the rain, a little bit raining. It's actually kind of like drizzling. Oh, goozy, storm. We've been having this for 2 or 3 days. 3 or 2 days. I also got a constant flood notification from the weather app I downloaded. Are you serious? Also, please unsub from Skinner716. And no to Skinner716. I hate you so much. Skinner716. I hate you so much. Okay, that's it for this video. I hate Skinner716 and there's a storm outside. Okay, that's really it for this video. Have a nice day, guys. Do not sub for Skinner716. If you are a fan of him and you are sub to me, unsub right now. Skinner716 haters only. I hate Skinner716. Alright, if Coolman sees this video, I am so sorry, bud, but Coolman, I'm real about this thing. I'm real. Skinner716 banned me from NB and NYC map. If Coolman sees this video, here's a little note to him. Skinner716 banned me from NYC map and NB. So yeah. Okay. Coolman fan, I figured out how to favorite stuff on iPad. My only device to record and play on is iPad. So yeah, that's it for this 2-minute video. Now I hate Skinner716, and here's why. He banned me from NB and he banned me from NB and NYC map, and the road chase thing is starting all over again. But when road chase really destroyed my monster cone truck. Like, I'm not joking, he really did it. Okay, that's it for this video. Have a nice day, guys. Stay safe. Do not sub to Skinner716 or road chase. End of video.